Hey guys, Jeremy Allen here. I'm super excited today because I just released my ebook on WordPress SEO 7-Day Bootcamp for bloggers. If you have a WordPress website and whether you're using it for business or just trying to attract readership, subscription rates, selling products or services, you're going to need to be found on Google. And quite frankly, SEO is getting more expensive each and every day. And my purpose of writing this book was to show you that you can do it yourself. You're going to need some tools, but you don't need to pay some guru $1,000 a month just to be found on Google. I lay it out 7 days. If you take massive action, you can do it in 1 day, but it's just a simple 7-day boot camp for bloggers, and the purpose is to be found in Google as well as other search engines, Yahoo, Bing, and Ask. Basically, it's going to lay out and tell you exactly what you need to do to have on-site and off-site SEO, create campaigns that are going to attract and lead through a call to action and get those people to your website to sign up to your newsletter and then also to buy your products or services. So this is very simple. I'm super excited about it. Everybody who owns a WordPress website, if you run it yourself, if you go behind the scenes and use the dashboard, this is going to be the most easy and most comprehensive SEO guide out there. And I suggest that you get it soon because the price is going to increase. Right now, it's very, very low. So you're going to get a lot bang for your buck. It holds a tremendous amount of value, and I just suggest you take action soon. And I wish you the best of luck to dominating Google.